Think we're live. Let's go ahead and get right to it. It is Tuesday, September 23rd. Had major news popping off overnight during London session. We got flash PMI coming at 6:45. President Trump speaking at 6:50, and some news at 7. Though we have these news releases happening in less than 10 minutes, I have low expectations for this morning session just because we have Fed Chair Powell speaking at 9:35 a.m. So sometimes price will just chop around um, before that event. It will just consolidate, move side to side, um, just chop around, yeah, and then once we have that Fed chair Fed chair event, that's when we'll see significant moves and swings in price. Without further ado, let's get into it. Starting on NQ. On the weekly time frame, we got a pretty strong bullish candle printing. Daily time frame, we still got a strong bullish trend here. So far, the candle's looking bearish, but for me, I think we'll have a bullish close. We could just be setting the low of the day. 4 hour, we're within this 4 hour fair value gap, 60-minute, 1 hour time frame in this fair value gap. I believe we've probably taken London low already. Yep. So yeah, it already says potential seek and destroy day. I don't like that showing that. So. But nonetheless, we've taken out these lows. I want to see these highs get taken out on the day. But to consider this as a sweep, I want to see price close down here. See price close as a sweep. We get a break in market structure or a shift in order flow. Shift in market structure. And then retrace into a fair value gap. So I want to see something like this on NQ. Boom, 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 boom. And we would get in somewhere in here. Oh, oh. Looking at yes. Same thing, strong weekly bullish candle. Daily candles already turning bullish. Already tapped into this 4 hour fair value gap. Rejected. Oh, I want to see price, yeah. Sweep this low. Wow, Dow just absolutely pumping. Sheesh. Oh, there's Dow. Wow. Dow and NQ polar opposites today. ES stuck in the middle. But nonetheless, this is the sweep I wanted to see. Get this close, and then we'd want to see a shift higher. S&P is pretty flat with a slight lean towards green. Nasdaq flat, slight lean towards red. Dow Jones, more green. Let's see, where is the first presented for value gap? Right there. Dow, we're way above these highs. I mean, targets could be these lows. So if we create an inversion, oh, value gap, I might be tempted to go short. Just because we're at such a massive premium. News event just dropped. It's respecting the 4 hour for value gap pretty nicely. Tempted to take this on the 1 minute. If we invert this 1 minute, I'll go long. Actual entry will look like this. Get a close above here. Entry will be within the third eye gap. Target 25.30. Safe stop would be here. That would be more aggressive. Could put it that low. Target 3-1. Stay away from the 1 minute, but the 5 minute is offering a clear entry. So let's get my limit order ready. Might be coming upon a nice setup here. Let's see. So far, price is holding the line on that very up. So take a break and read my morning devotional, morning and evening. Charles Spurgeon. Blessed. It's a Greek word that means divine satisfaction or even divine delight. And to be blessed in the beloved Jesus Christ is to be the object of his divine love, which is not earned by our own works, our own thoughts, our own actions. Rather, it is a free gift of his grace and mercy. Thank you, Jesus. So, new hourly candle just open. Um, NASDAQ is looking pretty bearish. Yes, get ready to turn bearish after taking out London. Dow doing its own thing. Might be interested in ES though. You get a right setup. Oh, some wicking action. Doesn't interest me. No trade day for me. It's only Tuesday. I am in no rush to trade. Just mark this 4 hours for value gap. I had new 4-hour candles for me. It's looking even more better. Yeah, close above this for value gap. Like that. Dude, just put candle that forms the body right there. And get my first entry here at 960. And then if we pitter patter and end up breaking through this per value gap, I'll add to my position at 978. The initial target would be just these highs. The high is 25.10. Start with that, and then add to more. There. Just like that. There. Candle closure. Going in. I get in this next minute. Let us see. At 20 seconds. Wait for them candle closes. I think this next candle should close above it. Stop limit. Seconds to close above. Like that it tapped into that fair value gap that was just created. Should use that as support to move higher. That one, all right, relatively flat. Richmond index came out negative, very negative. Candle closure going on. Let's see. The close above 90. Not 61. Son. All right, this next one for sure. There we go. Now close. Candle closures. Wait for them candle closures. Do you have any more news until now? I think no, right? Yeah, we're good till 9:35. This is just bonkers. But this is a perfect example of why you want to wait until if you plan on using an inversion for value gap as your entry, you want to wait for candles to close above that area. Because if we were in here, right, and we saw we were above it and just went long, we would have played ourselves because, as you can see, it created this high and then reversed all the way down, and it would have stopped us out if we just did a market execution. Um, and the worst part is, potentially this could still pan out, but you would have just jumped the gun a little bit. And so, um, something I've learned definitely over the years, right, is just to wait for those candle closures to validate and confirm that this is an inversion for value gap. And so, I'm gonna give it about 10 more minutes. I might consider hopping off just because, like I said, we have Fed Chair Powell speaking today, which before then, price tends to just kind of chop around and moves very sloppy and doesn't really provide clean entry points. See, we finally get a candle closure in this next minute. Shocked if we don't. Oh, wow. This next candle. Let's see. Camera closure, huh? Maybe it's a good thing it don't close because, well, it's looking like low probability conditions. Every time I turn my eye away, it inches closer and closer. Then as soon as I come back, it just shine on me. It's messed up. 5 more minutes. If it's not above it by 7:22, I'm done. I'm done. It's crazy. 4 more minutes. Still not getting that camera closure is insane. Bro, there's no way. Guys, are we serious? Yeah, I think it's a no trade day. This is wild. How did we not close above? But you know what? I'm glad because that invalidates my entry. It prevents me from even taking a loss. So this is wild. Insanity. What happened to my stream? Wait, bro. Still going? Oh, we're good. Never mind, we're good. It's looking like a no trade day. I gave it 5 minutes to get a close above, and we're not getting it. So I think I'm gonna just call it and just live to fight another day. I mean, what would be great is if NQ through the remainder of today into tomorrow, we just chop around here and leave this buy side liquidity intact, and then we can use that as a target. Yeah, it's looking like a no trade day for Dre. Play this on Dow. 50% of this range. Not looking good. Well, stream ends here for me today, ladies and gentlemen. No trades for me. Price isn't looking too clean. I think given just there's a federal chair Powell event happening at 9:30 Pacific time, price is just gonna chop around here. I mean, look at this from 7:05 all the way until now. It's just been stuck in this range. Not what we'd like to see. So For me, my edge isn't present, so I'm gonna sit on my hands and live the trade another day. Hope you guys all have a beautiful and blessed day. SDG Trading, Soli Deo Gloria.